Having problems with Facebook Messenger not opening, crashing, or sending messages properly? In this video, I'll show you 4 quick and effective methods to fix Messenger issues on Android devices, helping the app run smoothly again within minutes. Step 1. Force stop the Messenger app. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device model. Find and select Messenger from the app list. Inside the app settings page, tap Force Stop and confirm the action if prompted. Now close settings completely and reopen Messenger. In many cases, this simple step immediately fixes freezing, crashing, or loading issues. Step 2. Clear Messenger cache and data. If Messenger is still not working, corrupted cache files may be causing the problem. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your account information. In the app info page menu and tap Storage or Storage and Cache. First tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary junk files that may slow down the app. If the issue continues, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Keep in mind that this resets the app completely and logs you out of Messenger, so you'll need to sign in again afterward. Once done, reopen Messenger and log back into your account to check if the problem has been resolved. Step 3. Update the Messenger app. App running an outdated version of Messenger can lead to bugs, connection errors, and compatibility problems. Updating the app installs the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for Messenger. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the installation to finish. After the update completes, open Messenger again and test all features normally. Step 4. Reinstall Messenger. If none of the previous methods worked, reinstalling Messenger is the best final solution. This removes damaged app files and installs a completely fresh version. Press and hold the Messenger app icon, then tap Uninstall and confirm with OK. After the app is removed, open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and tap Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then open the app and sign in again. That's it. Your Messenger should be working perfectly again now.